Anyways, welcome back. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Right now, what we are going to be doing is checking my mail. And what I received in my mail today is this Influencer box. Excuse the bright ass yellow that does not come off very well on camera. This is from Influencer. They have an app that you can review different products, beauty, home, just about everything in life. You can post your reviews. It's a free app, and you can link all of your social networks so you can get points, and they send you these things. They're called Vox boxes. I'm not sure if you've heard of them or not, but they're really cool. So they send you a box every now and then if you're drawn, or if, I don't know how they choose who they send boxes to, but they send boxes full of free products to different, I don't even want to say influencers because I'm not an influencer, but their name is Influenster. So they're hoping that by me using these boxes and using the products in these boxes and reviewing them on their site, mentioning them on my social media, all of that sort of thing, that there's going to be something in here that you see that you want to purchase. Voila! Great marketing strategy. So let's check out what is in this box this month. So we're going to open it up. It looks like this. There's a whole bunch of stuff in there. There's a little guy in there. I don't know what that's about. So this is the Cherish Vox box. So our little card looks like that. So I want to tell you that all of this stuff in here was free. It was sent to me for my review. So we just get that disclosure out of the way. I didn't buy any of this. It was all sent to me for free for my thoughts on the products. So let's just get into it. The first thing in our box this month is sponsored by BarkBox, and it is a BarkBox toy. It's a dog toy. Oh, look at him. Oh, and you flip him around. He's like Two-Face. Oh, what's wrong here? I'm not a dog. I can't make him work. So whatever. He's a squeakly D and squeakly dumb. It's cute. It's a dog toy, which is great because I have 2 dogs and a pig. So I'm sure one of them will try to destroy this guy. That's great. The retail on this is $10 to $18. They don't tell me on this toy what it is. BarkBox is a just delivery. Let me just read this for you. BarkBox is a monthly subscription box, just like any of these other boxes that you can get every month, but it's specifically for a dog. So let's see what they say. It says BarkBox is a delivery sure to make your pup howl for joy. Each box contains $40 worth of dog goodies, 2 original toys, 2 bags of all-natural treats, and a scrumptious chew. Every BarkBox is designed around a fun surprise theme that changes monthly, and plans start at $21 a month, including free shipping. So, if you are looking for something, maybe a little surprise box for your dog every month, check out BarkBox. I'm going to give this to my boys and see what they think. The next thing in our box was, hello, maybe I was thirsty. It came packaged really well too. It's a Mott's apple juice. It even came in a little bag just in case something bad happened. This is apple raspberry. It's Mott's Sensibles. This is an 8 fluid ounce bottle. So perfect. This says that a 6-pack has a retail price of about $3.49. Mott's Sensibles are 100% juice with 30% less sugar compared to, what? Compared to 100% apple juice. I don't know what that means. But apparently these Sensibles are only available at Target. So right now I can't drink this. I am on a very strict diet and exercise plan. I'm doing a weight loss challenge, and I've been working my booty off, seriously. So this is not on it. I will try this after I'm done. So give me a little time. I'll touch base with you and let you know if I love it or not. But I do love Mott's apple juice. and Mott's applesauce. So I'm sure that I will love this. And it's a perfect size to just throw in your bag. So that's great. The next thing we have in here, oh, we have some coupons. We have $2 off of the apple juice. And then we have little information about the Bark Box. So if you want any information, let me know in the comments. I'll send it to you. No big deal. The next thing we have is Vera Wang Embrace fragrances. So it is a small little sample. I'm sure y'all have seen these. You can get them in your Sephora boxes or Ulta, anything like that. It's a little sample. What fragrance did we get? We got French lavender and tuberose. I don't know what that is. We're gonna sniff it in just a second. But this retails for $29.99. This is not gonna go well with what I have on. A small one. Oh, it's soft. It's very soft. I like it. It's like soft and clean. It's really subtle, but good. Okay, we'll see. I know a lot of fragrances, I really have to kind of wear them for more than just a second because they smell different on my skin than they do coming straight out of the bottle. So they mix, all fragrances actually mix with your body chemistry. So they all smell just a tiny bit different on everybody. So I really never know if I like a fragrance till I've worn it a time or two. But I'll keep you updated, okay? But for right now, it smells, it's just like really soft and clean, like very subtle though. Next thing in our box, Dove Men Plus Care. It's a dry spray. This retails for $5.99. This is a full-size product. I don't know what this smells like. I want to smell it. Oh, it smells like boy. I don't know about y'all, but I love the boy smell. Like, there is nothing better than a good smelling man. This is actually, it's called the dry spray. It's an antiperspirant, so for man, luckily I have a 14-year-old son, so we'll let him try it on. If it's gonna work on anybody, he would be the man to have it work, because if y'all don't have teenage boys, let me tell you, they stink. They stink. From the top of their head to the tip of their toes, they stink constantly. So we're gonna try this out for him, and we'll see if it works. I'll let you know. And if it does, y'all will have the straight hookup on ways to de-stink your teenage boys. Right here. You heard it first. Okay. Last thing in this beautiful box is the Pantene Pro V in the Shower Foam Conditioner. I've seen commercials about this. I'm not a big fan of Pantene. I used to be a professional hairdresser, and Pantene is actually not all that great for your hair. It's okay every once in a while, but if you have the choice of professional hair care products, they're always better, I think, than Pantene. If you don't, I prefer Tresemme for drugstore or grocery store products. They don't leave as much buildup on your hair. Pantene actually, now I haven't used them in a long time, and I haven't done any research on them in a long time, so they may have changed things in the last few years, but they used to have a wax base that would actually build up on your scalp, and you would get really, I had a lot of clients that would actually have a lot of hair loss. Not like they would go bald, but they would see a significant amount of shedding compared to if they used higher quality products. But this was free, and it is a conditioner. I will try it out. It does say for fine, flat hair. I don't have fine hair, y'all. I have thick hair. Mama's got a lot of hair, so I'm not sure how well it will work, but I will give it a try a time or two, and we'll see. Maybe they've changed. I mean, they have made some strides in the last few years, so they could have upped their game to compete. You never know. We'll give them a shot. I don't automatically count them out, and I don't want to tell you don't use them. I know their products smell amazing. I always smell them when I'm at the store. I just have to. They always smell really well, and they do leave your hair really shiny. That was always part of that wax based product that the petroleum wax based product that they put in their hair care products. But I haven't looked into it for a while, so don't get me wrong saying, hey, don't buy this, it's bad for you, it's going to make your hair fall out. It's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying they used to be notorious for not being great. But I'm still going to try it out. I'm still going to try it out. I will give you guys the real tea. Maybe they've changed. People change, right? People can change. Can you change? Maybe. Let's try it out. That is everything we got this month in the Cherish Vox box. So if you're interested in getting boxes like these, this is a great way to get free products. I mean, who doesn't love free stuff? To try out things that maybe you wouldn't buy on your own. And just, I mean, seriously, the dogs are gonna love it. So it's gonna be great. Check out Influenster if you're interested. If you're not, it's okay. I still love you. If you have any questions about this box, how to get involved with Influenster, or about any of these products, go ahead, leave a comment down below. As always, don't forget to hit that like button if you liked it. Hit the dislike if you didn't. It's okay. And hit that subscribe button so you know next time I'll upload it. Next time I bring you a video. So, until then, bye.